Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here and listening to this podcast on Act Clever. What is Act Clever? Well, actclever.com is my website, and what I've done is I've taken everything I've learned about Act over the last 20 plus years and created 6 courses. And those 6 courses go from Act Fundamentals to customizing Act for your business, to selling with Act once you've customized it, how to really make it a tool for sales and marketing. I also talk about Act add-on products, tools that enhance Act. There's also a section for those of you that are using Act in the cloud, just how to make the most out of the Act cloud experience. And the 6th course is one that I think is really important for all of us. It's called the Act or email marketing automation. And what that is all about is how to use Act's built-in email marketing tool to really do things in your business, whether it be sales or public relations, marketing, or just staying in touch with people. It's a great tool for doing that. The whole reason I created Act Clever is because when I teach people, I don't really have a textbook that I can give them. I don't have a lot of printed material. What I enjoy doing is creating videos and sharing them with people to show them how to do things, because the nature of software in a lot of these areas is simple. When you do things on a regular basis every single day, well, frankly, you remember how to do it because it's part of your routine, part of your habit. But there are areas in Act where you might not do them every day. You might do them once a week or once a month or once every quarter. And the whole idea behind Act Clever is when you have access to my videos, the videos in here are set up in courses. The videos are all trackable, so you can go in and as you go through the course, it keeps track of what you've watched, so you can jump around, come back, pick up where you left off. It's really a great way to learn about Act. And it's also a resource, so if you forget how to do something, come back in to Act Clever, go back through the course or the particular lesson or topic, and learn or just review how to do something that maybe you forgot how to do. As always, I'm always here for training and consulting one-on-one, a little bit of help, and that's what I do for my clients. I try to help them one-on-one. I give them, all my clients have access to this training. If they want it, they can register for free. That's a benefit of being one of my clients. And you have access to all this information. Now, for those of you that like to learn on your own, this will be a great tool. For those of you that are somewhere in the middle, well, it's a resource that's there should you need it. So Act Clever was really designed with this thought in mind. If you are an experienced, good Act user, if it's something that you can use to become more profitable, more proficient, and more productive, then Act as a community is well off and better off because they can keep developing this tool to be better and better and better. And that's really what I hope happens here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to give you a little insight into Act Clever. Again, it's great for learning about Act, to review Act, and it's great from beginners to experienced users. I hope you have a great day. Be well. Thank you so very much. Bye now.